seen Naqueeda in a section, bro? Have you ever seen her in a section?
No. You know what's crazy about it?
Huh?
I've seen Thakgi like.
I met her once. I met her once at D48 Midrand. She was sitting there, and I was at the table next door.
Yeah.
She's a girl in the club.
Like big dogs, like.
She's that girl in the club.
Yeah.
She looks like that girl in the club. She looks like and now so you wanna tell me you in the club with a nigga that's running outside doing interviews with Bozili?
No, but like, guys, come on.
I'm just saying. So she did body work. She did body work to come lay it down for this nigga.
Yes, he did.
No, if he did, shout out. But I'm saying, the thing is, it's like Sanyana for this little moment.
No, what? How?
Nigga. Okay, nigga. Listen to me. Do you think, bro? She went and she got a BBL. What I told you, Mr. Bruce. Was she still with the nigga when she got a BBL? No, she wasn't with the nigga. So I'm saying to you, do you think she got a BBL to write on you with a Bruce now?
But the feelings you got to do rope.
Oh, woman. What do you don't have to answer us, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
I was planning.
Do you understand?
Okay, but
bro, come on, that thing is for
I fought with my friend because of this conversation.
Yeah,
but not about Naqueeda and Bruce.
Make an example.
So here's the thing. We kind of like, and this is a thing that you guys always, I'm saying me included also, we kind of think, whenever there are certain people that you are supposed to date.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
Like, Drake at DMD.
But though, I spoke about this already. The other time I said to you that in the industry it's difficult to just date because you have to date also considering your branding as well. Especially if you're going to go public.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
No. But I get that. So what I'm trying to say is that like certain people think we're nangas back at certain people.
No, that's not what we're saying, bro.
No. I want you to listen to me for this. Nka beka when you know udile BBL before Naqueeda le.
Yeah.
The idea lazile. No, kimwechu unonrata when you noki. But there are certain girls that you can beg, bro.
Yeah.
It happens. It's just that the only difference with Bruce is that he's known. Okay.
Oh, shit.
But it's possible. What I'm trying to say is possible.
Right, dope. Listen, bro. What? She's got a business now, ne?
A lip gloss, I think.
It's a lip gloss.
Yeah.
How is it? Do you know how it's funded? I don't know anything about it. I don't know much about it.
Like I said, I'm a spectator like you. That's
I don't know much, bro.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, man, that getting a BBL in South Africa is an elevation for women. It now takes you to a different type of market, a different type of guys. Not about YouTube. Yes, maybe. Listen, okay. Maybe. Okay, Mas, let me talk to you.
Talk to him.
He's in his
you guys
feelings.
were having a cool conversation, eh?
Maybe, listen. Comrades at the back there, can we have order here? Maybe she loves this guy and she wants to be with this guy. But what she did, the place she's at, is an elevation. It attracts her to a whole different market. It's something that is hard to resist as a woman because you want that lifestyle. In most cases, we see her as a young girl who's looking up to the likes of I might be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Come for me. Maybe the Faith in Kates are role models, the Minis, the Boities, the whoever's of the industry. We can see the brand alignment. It's not a Seema and a Ghost hlubi type of situation where it's like gimmicky and we're just good and we just really love each other and it's like soulmate type of vibes. That is a woman who's trying to break into the industry and be this big person. She's got a lip gloss brand. Do you understand? Seema has one, but it's... Do you understand what I'm saying?
Wait, what is
no,
it?
Man. No, you don't understand what I'm...
No, but I'm
bro,
listening
it's
to
like,
you. That's the thing.
Her market is different from an average South African girl's market. It's different, bro. She's seeing beyond. She's exposed to beyond.
What's beyond?
No.
She's exposed to...
I get you.
She's probably getting to the level of Otuli. She's going to get to Otuli Pongholo eventually.